I took myself out to dinner tonight. I just didn't want to cook. So this is the chips that come with it to start with. I ordered fajita enchiladas. Pretty crowded tonight. It is Friday. Yay. It's warm today, already in the 80s. At least it feels warm to me. Ugh. Come on, Lily. Beautiful day, though. No rain. Time for coffee. Oops. Remember that song? Tell him that you're ever gonna leave him. Tell him. Right? Hi, everyone. I'm off to, there's a recall on this year of my Chevy Avalanche for the passenger airbag. So I got notified quite a while ago and called the local Chevy place, which is in Haskell, and it took a couple months before they called me back and told me they finally got the part. So I'm heading over to this RV dealership in Haskell. I've never been there before, and it's gonna supposedly take 20 minutes. So, okay. It's a warm day. It's 82 degrees. As you can see, it's a pretty day. And we're just getting out of town. Just passed by Bud's. Family owned and operated. And then we're pretty much after the Dollar General and the City Motel. We're done. We're out of here. And now we're headed toward Monday. M-U-N-D-A-Y. So we're heading to Monday on Friday. It's weird having front and back camera working, but it's good. It is. I like it. And then the speed picks up from, right now it's 60, and then it goes up to 75. So you get where you're going pretty fast. Here we go, 75. Okay. There we go. I had to turn on my cruise control. I know you can't see far in the distance, but there's lots and lots of wind turbine set up, areas out to the right. I don't know. Turn the camera to the right. Let me see. I don't think you can see them, but they're out there. Look at Chevy. This Chevy dealership. There's no cars. I'm freaking out. What happened to all the cars? I know I can get my service done here. I guess that's all they're doing. Wow. No cars. There's no cars. But here's my truck. So strange. Well, all done. It did not take long at all. This place is empty. I asked the lady, I said, where's all the cars? She said that they can't get the cars. That they got 10 and they're already sold and gone in one day. and that it's all due to COVID. Well, okay. I'm not understanding everything due to COVID, but like it's a ghost town in there. I've never seen anything like it. Anyway, I'm going to go to the grocery store next. Okay, I'm done with the car, the truck. I say car, but you know what I mean. Anyway, I'm on my way to Stamford, which is 15 miles further, and that'll take me to Walmart, so I can wander around. Did you know that all that wanders are not lost? I have a wandering soul. It's 85 degrees in the truck anyway right now. It's warm. I dressed cool. I dressed with a sleeveless top. I used to never wear sleeveless tops, but the older I gotten, the more I don't really care what other people think. I gotta be comfortable. That's what matters. Y'all feel the same way? I wonder. I bet you do. When you're like 25, 35, you know, you're like, oh, I've got to dress up, I got to wear makeup, I got to have my hair just so, you know, I'm not going to show my arms. I don't really care anymore. That's a good thing about getting older, you know? It's not all great, but at least there's a few things that are pluses after you turn 55. You get your discounts. I don't know. Look at all this just land for miles. In between little towns. So we're sitting here. It is Monday. We're playing a game of dominoes to take up some time and enjoy. And that's it. Good morning. It is Tuesday morning, and I'm expecting the guy that's going to put my water heater in maybe a half hour, 15 minutes. I'm looking forward to it, but it's going to be a really hot day. 98 degrees for the high. And right now it's comfortable, but it's coming. 98. Hey, Rosie. Okay, let's get ready for the day. That's the old one, and that's the new one. Okay, go ahead. Edward's doing this for me. And that's the new one. That's the old one. Yeah. It's like happening. It's happening. Yay. There's Edward's working on it. Getting it plugged in. It's supposed to be 98 degrees today. It isn't yet. But I'll get to do dishes with hot water. Yes. He's working on getting it out. I'm watching The Bachelorette. Life is good. Unfortunately, Edward had to go to Ace, and so far he's spent about like $25 extra on parts. Now he's got to go back and find another part. I don't know what part it is, but he showed me, and that's going to cost, I don't know how much more. So the $100 it's going to turn into almost $200 anyway. Welcome to RV life. Always something. He needed a part because it wasn't fitting properly and snug enough, and it went to get the part. And look, every towel I have, because the water is seeping out. I don't know what else to do. He knows he's on his way back, but why can't things just go smoothly? Please tell me that. No, don't tell me, because things don't go so smoothly.
Remember, Daniel's relationship with her is blossoming. They're seeing each other 3 times a week.
She likes...
Well, it's still not working. Well, it's not working. He put it in. See that red light? It's supposed to go off when it ignites, but it doesn't. So he left, and I'm sending this. He says it's faulty. He worked on this. He worked on it from 9:30 in the morning until about 7:30 p.m. He had to go to the store a few times, to Ace Hardware. He went home once. He tried. He's a nice man, and he's coming back. I'm ordering a replacement that he thinks something's faulty in it. It'll be here Friday, and he'll come back and put it in with then. So nothing ever is easy, ever. I don't know why. I gave Rosie a bath. Rosie, I gave a bath to you, didn't I? You feeling good? Yeah, she says, I feel much better. Much cleaner. Stop. Let's go. Let's go find Lily. It's 93 degrees. There's Lily over there. I like to stay in the shade personally, but gotta keep my eye on them, especially her. What? Careful. Yeah, Mark's always fixing stuff. It makes sure has looks. That really looks good, Mark. Please be careful. Extra careful. We don't want no falls. Come on, Rosie.